Hello, friends. Can you tell me how's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it stormy like this? Is it cloudy? Or is it rainy? Look, rain, rain, go away. How's the weather like today? Okay, friends, today I'm going to leave you a video to watch some animals and let's talk about what they can do. Vamos a ver qué pueden hacer estos animals. We have a monkey, an elephant, a penguin, and we are going to the zoo with some boys and girls. Let's do it.
Let's go to the zoo and stomp like the elephants do.
Have you watched it? Excellent! So let's see. Which was your favorite animal? My favorite animal is the polar bear, and I am going to swim like the polar bear. What about you? What is your favorite animal?